Ever feel like your computer's storage is just not enough? Or maybe you're tired of fumbling with external drives? Well, this internal dual-bay drive cage from Drfeify might just be the solution you've been looking for. It promises to slot right into your PC's 5.25-inch bay and give you easy access to both 2.5 and 3.5-inch hard drives. And honestly, that's a pretty neat trick. The real magic here is the speed. It boasts a 6 Gbps transfer rate, which is fantastic for getting data on and off your drives quickly. Whether you're transferring large video files for your security system, backing up your precious media, or just need faster access to your game library, this thing should deliver. It supports SATA II, II, and III, so it's compatible with a wide range of drives. Installation is supposed to be a breeze. With a hot swap feature, that means you can add or remove drives without shutting down your computer. That's a huge convenience, especially if you're managing multiple drives for different purposes. The build quality also seems pretty solid. It's made from a combination of aluminum alloy and ABS plastic, which sounds like a good balance of durability and heat management. And speaking of heat, they've even included a built-in cooling fan to keep your drives running at optimal temperatures, which is crucial for longevity, especially in demanding applications like security systems or servers. The versatility is a big selling point. It's not just for gamers or media enthusiasts. It's explicitly mentioned for server computers, cloud storage, and security systems. This suggests it's built to be reliable and handle continuous operation. If you're building a home server, expanding your NAS, or just want a cleaner, more integrated storage solution in your desktop, this Drfeify cage looks like a compelling option. It's a smart way to add significant storage flexibility without taking up external space. Overall, the Drfeify dual-bay internal HDD tray seems like a well-thought-out product that addresses a common need for more accessible and faster internal storage. It combines speed, convenience, and good thermal management in a package that should integrate nicely into most desktop PCs and servers.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.